What's ringing, guys? It's Carlisle here, and today we're gonna be testing the intruder alarm at the accommodation I'm staying at. I'm not gonna show the front entrance bit because I don't want any address on. But apparently it's loud. And we can hear it from the outside, so I'm doing it from the outside to make it more interesting. And also after this, I'm going to be testing the fire alarm. Is that it? Is that it, do you think?
I don't know. Wait there a minute. You ready to hear it?
I guess you should wait for... Alright.
Is that the alarm?
Oh God. Oh gosh. That is louder than I expected. Oh, well, God. That was louder than I expected, to be honest, guys. That's the sound of the intruder alarm being tested. So if you've enjoyed this vid, please ring subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.